Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture on Signal Private Message app. If you set up a profile when you first created your Signal account and want to change it, or you never set a picture to begin with, it's easy to choose a photo. Now, to change the photo, firstly, you need to open the Signal app on your device. Now, tap your account icon at the top left of the screen to open the settings menu. Now tap on profile icon at the top of the settings menu. Now on your profile page, tap on edit photo button. Now you can choose the option to set your new picture. You can snap a photo using camera, or you can tap on photo to choose a pic from the gallery. You can adjust and manage the photo, and then tap on tick button to save as your photo, or you can add some text as your profile by tapping on text, or you can do is to simply tap on these emojis and set one of them as your profile picture. And once you're done with it, tap on save button. And there you go, you have changed your profile picture on Signal Private Messenger app. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to change profile picture on Signal Private Messenger app. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.